What is the primary aim of audiolingual method? Is it A, oral proficiency, B, fluency, C, grammatical competence, or D, flexibility? Ayan. One of the major things that we also need to remember about your majorship are also the different language teaching methods. Napakahalaga po nito. Ayan, dahil ito po yung concept natin sa majorship that will always be perennial. It will always be there in each and every season. Letter A, letter A, letter A. Ang sagot ng taong bayan, tama ba yan? Indeed, that's letter A, no? Oral proficiency. Why did we say oral proficiency is the aim of audiolingual method? Because when it comes to audiolingual method, tinatawag din po natin itong ALM method. Or in some sources, tinatawag din natin siyang ARMY method. Or tinatawag din natin siyang MIM-MEM method. So ibig sabihin, audiolingual method is actually a type of language teaching method wherein the focus is more on repetition and drills. So the teacher will say the word or will say the phrases or the sentences, and the student will repeat after them. Just like in the army, di ba? Kapag yung commander, meron siyang sinabi, susundan siya ng kanyang mga private, right? So that's an example of audiolingual method. Kaya din siya tinawag na ARMY method. So now, let's explore the different language teaching methods.